Now, no doubt there are certain stipulations when it comes to your fruit, your dried fruit. Are you allowed to put in, say, crystallised, like pineapple or other thing? My nan used to put pineapple in hers. Is that allowed?
Not the rich fruit cake. This rich fruit cake is basically just what I've got here. Sultanas, raisins and currants, cherries and mixed peel. You can also use almonds. I do not use almonds in mine because of people's allergies.
How many years have you been entering at the Ekka in particular?
This would be 30 years. This year would be 30 years.
Any idea of how many blue ribbons you've won?
I would probably have won close to 4,000 awards around Southeast Queensland and the Royals Nationals in Australia.
And do you like being a part of the cooking competition?
I love the show cooking competition. Met so many friends along the way, and it's a comradeship between the exhibitors and the competitors, and most of us are all pretty good. I don't think there's any nastiness in amongst us. We're all there to win. I would be a liar if I said I'm not there to win. I definitely like to win, but we lose graciously.
Oh,